everybody, Ricardo Nadal with the Nadal team at your home sold guaranteed realty, putting signs on the yard in this hot July day. So we got this property under $450,000 coming to you. It's actually available right now. If you want to take a peek at this house, give us a call, 678-381-8045, 678-381-8045, under $450,000. You can get into this house with $12,000 down. So let me give you some particulars about this property. So the roof is about 5 years old, hardy plank siding. It's one owner, Lawrenceville, close to Mobile, Georgia. And if you have a house that you need to sell, you want to move up to this listing of mine, give me a call and I can buy your house. 678-381-8045, 678-381-8045. It's a little bit late in the afternoon. They're having dinner. So I'm going to show you the backyard here in a little bit. But if you have a house to sell and you need to move up to my listing, give me a call, 678-381-8045. One owner, 4-bedroom plus a bonus room. Perfect shape. Updated kitchen, and I'm going to show you the backyard, which is a it's actually kind of a dream backyard. Give me a call if you have a house to sell and you want me to buy your house, or you can get into this one, 678-381-8045. Hey guys, so I want to finish up this video here in the backyard. This is a grilling master green backyard here. So like I said, this house is under $450,000. I can get you into this property with $12,000 down, and give us a call, 678-381-8045. If you have a house to sell, we can buy your house, or you can get into this one, 678-381-8045. Close to Mobile, Georgia, Gwinnett County. Great school district, and this could be yours with $12,000 down. Give me a call, 678-381-8045. So here's the rest of the backyard. If you need a list of properties not on the internet, hard to find property, foreclosure, for sale by owners, properties not listed on the internet, to deal directly with the owner, give us a call, 678-381-8045. Anything in Gwinnett County, off-market properties in Gwinnett County for sale by owners, we can get them to you. Just give us a call, 678-381-8045, and ask for the list of properties, off-market properties in Gwinnett County, so you can see everything that is out on the market, not only what you can find on the internet, but everything out there. One owner. If you have a house to sell, we can buy your house, or you can buy this one. Give us a call, 678-381-8045.